All right, it's morning time. I have a couple meetings today, but not too many. Hopefully we can really focus on getting some coursework done. Decent view. Nice vibes. Very white. Oh my gosh, I've done it again. I've almost completely forgotten to vlog, but for this one moment. We're headed downstairs. We're gonna get some snacks.
Yes.
Look at the rain. I don't know if you can see it, but
Let's get some snacks at the
oh,
mart.
look at my hand. It's wet already. Look, just from a moment out in there. Wow.
Oh my god. We literally were like, let's go raining.
Yeah.
Like 2 minutes ago, we're like, let's walk.
Let's go for a walk. It's so nice out.
Yeah, it's fine out.
Now, it's just rain. And now it's not even raining. Wow. Well, I guess we're still waiting for a lift. And then we're gonna go get some snacks. I'm dying on the inside. But might be moving to Miami. Possible. We'll see. All right, we ended up going for a walk. So now we're walking to the supermarket. Publix.
Yeah.
Have you been to Publix? Put a comment down below. Comment #Publix. Over a bridge. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. Let's go.